Guys, that's the last tutorial of card using Ajax, jQuery and PHP. That's the table because the last that's the final part of this because the last tutorial I discussed this table without delete and action. Okay, delete and edit action. So today I will make everything like add, then showing 110 to 100, then search icon, and then also action, edit and delete. So firstly I share, if you like to make this table, you can download 100% source code free from my website links just see my video description. Already last day I discussed what is the benefit of this table. Okay, no problem. Now I will just simply share about this. If you like to add any kinds of information in here, press add button, then to type first name, last name, then type gender, also age, then added. Your information will be added in here. Also, if you like to edit any kinds of name, press edit icon, then edit from here, and then lastly press edit icon, then your information will be edit. And also if you like to delete any kinds of information here, no problem, press the delete icon, then press ok, then your information will be deleted, no problem. Also you can show 10 to 100 at a time, so one page, and also you can search specifically from here, no problem. So guys, if you like to make this table, must be you have to click your or my video description source code link. Then when you click this link, then see this interface. That is the final part of using Ajax, jQuery and PHP. Then see source code, all kinds of source code in here. Then there is the index PHP, you can copy specifically from here, no problem. Also scroll down, there are a lot of coding in here, then see action. Then action is all kinds of action is already included in there, edit, delete, add, etc, no problem. Then see scroll down, then see download source code. If you click here, then download all kinds of source code as a zip file. I think download source code it's better for you. Okay, then scroll up, then you can see demo list. Okay, if you click here, then see demo list. There are a lot of demo in here. Now I am discuss about the last one, 34 demos. So if you click view details, then see view details, and if you click view demo, then see your targeted view demo. Guys, that's a very interesting matter. So no more talk, now we'll make this table. Let's go. We know we have to go our XAMPP, then htdocs, docs, then our targeted table. Now I'm making table 8. Now click here, and then see action, database, that means data.john, then index PHP. Now I am open everything. Index is main fact, and also you can see some information in here. Also you can change about your table, no problem, like that. That is the title of this table, you can change from here. Another name you can add or delete from here, no problem. Also if you like to change first name, last name, gender, age, action, no problem, you can change from here very easily. Like you like to type student first name, no problem, you can change that's student first name, then student last name, student gender, age, action, etc, no problem. Okay guys, that's one, and that is the action. And action, actually there are all kinds of action in here, like add action, then edit action, then delete, everything in here, no problem, no need to change from here. Guys, we will we'll try to check our another table, localhost table 38. Okay, table 38, then press enter. Already you see that our table is showing here. Also you can add another name, no problem, like John Shooton, gender male, age 36, and then press add icon. Okay, the first one is John Shooton, added. Also I like to delete, edit, no problem. You can edit John, not John, also Mr. John. Okay, and then gender female, age 14. Okay, no problem. Press edit icon, then you see Mr. John, shoot on female, age 14. Also you can delete, press delete icon. Okay, then your information has deleted. And also show 10 to 100, then search specifically from here, no problem. Okay, Imran, already I'm typing here. So guys, that's very interesting. If you have any question about this table, no problem, you can comment in my comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Also, if you like to if you like these types of video, must be subscribe my channel. And also I have a request to you, please share with your friends. So guys, no more today. Thank you very much.